Standard 9, Subject Maths 1, Chapter number 6, Financial Planning. Students, in this video, we are going to learn the continuation part of Practice Set 6.1. Practice Set 6.1. Let us start. Third, Nikhil spent 5% of his monthly income on his children's education, invested 14% in shares, deposited 3% in a bank, and used 40% for his daily expenses. He was left with a balance of rupees 19,000. What was his income that month? Solution. Let's Nikhil's monthly income be rupees X. Now his total expenditure 5% of his monthly income on his children's education, invested 14% in shares, and 3% he deposited in a bank. 40% of his daily income on his daily expenses. Therefore, his total expenditure is equal to 5%, that is 5 plus 14 plus 3 plus 40% of his monthly income, which is equal to 60% of monthly income. 62% of x is 62x upon 100. So rupees 62x upon 100. Now balance is equal to income minus expenditure. Balance is 19,000 equal to x as an income minus expenditure is 62x upon 100. Now multiplying both the side by 100, we get 19,000 into 100 equal to 100x minus 62x. Therefore, 19,000 into 100 is equal to 38x. Therefore, x is equal to 19,000 into 100 divided by 38. Therefore, x is equal to 50,000. Answer. Nikhil's monthly income is rupees 50,000. Fourth, Mr. Syed kept rupees 40,000 in a bank at 8% compound interest for 2 years. Mr. Fernandez invested rupees 1,20,000 in a mutual fund for 2 years. After 2 years, Mr. Fernandez got rupees 1,92,000, whose investment turned out to be more profitable. Now, let's see the solution. Mr. Syed kept rupees 40,000 in a bank at 8% compound interest for 2 years. So here we get A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to N, where A is equal to amount, P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of interest, and N is equal to number of years. Now, principal is 40,000. So, principal is 40,000 into 1 plus 8% interest upon 100, number of year is 2, which is equal to 40,000 into 1 plus 2 upon 25. You have to reduce this, is equal to 40,000 into 25 plus 2 upon 25 by cross multiplying to the whole square. which is equal to 40,000 into 27 upon 25 into 27 upon 25, which is equal to rupees 46,656. Now let's see the interest here. So compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is equal to rupees 46,656 minus principal is 40,000, which is equal to rupees 6,656. Now let's see Syed profit interest. Syed's profits percentage is equal to 6,656 upon principal, that is 40,000 into 100, which is equal to 6,656 divided by 400, which is equal to 16.64%. Let us consider this as statement 1. Now students, let's see Mr. Fernandez. Mr. Fernandez invested rupees 1,20,000 in a mutual fund for 2 years. Now and he also received 1,92,000. Now Mr. Fernandez profit earned, which is equal to rupees 1,92,000 minus 1,20,000, which is equal to rupees 72,000. Now let's say his profit percent. Fernandez profit percent is equal to 72,000, that is the profit 1,20,000 into 100, which is equal to 60%. Let us consider this as statement 2. Now looking at 1 and 2, we get that Mr. Fernandez investment is more profitable. 5. Samira spent 90% of her income and donated 3% for social useful cause. If she was left with 1,750 at the end of the month, what was her monthly income? Now let's see the solution. So solution. Now let us consider Samira's monthly income as rupees X. Now her total expenditure is 90% she spent of her income and 3% on social costs. Therefore, total expenditure is equal to 90 plus 3% of monthly income. That is 93% of her monthly income. So we'll get 93x upon 100. Therefore, saving is equal to income minus expenditure. Now saving is given as 1,750 equal to income we have considered x minus expenditure is 93x upon 100. Now multiplying both the side by 100, we get 1,750 into 100 equal to 100x minus 93x. Therefore, 100x minus 93x is 7x equal to 1750 into 100. Therefore, x is equal to 1750 into 100 divided by 7. Therefore, x is equal to, we will get 250 into 100, which is equal to rupees 25,000. Answer: Samira's monthly income is rupees 25,000. Thank you.